Hey, you done with my tea yet? That man's a firebender! I saw him heating his tea!
He works in a tea shop.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Jet the Freedom Fighter from Avatar The Last Airbender. Get him the hairpiece from Hands of Time Kai. Next he will need a head with a half smile. We gave him an armored sword pouch, and some Outrider armor for his other side, Kai's torso from the Rattlecopter set, some dark gray arms, with yellow hands, of course, and we gave him 2 red crowbars to use as hook swords. Lastly, we used the legs from Blind Kananjaris. And that concludes this week's video. If you would like to see more Avatar characters in the future, please subscribe.